Hi, my name is Wayne Bergeron. I'm the general manager for the Katy, Texas location of America's Home Place. I'd like to share with you one of my more emotional experiences with a customer and the process of building their home. I was the project manager for Richard and Sylvia out of Transylvania, North Carolina, when I was the project manager in Asheville, North Carolina. We came together on the site meeting and realized very early on that Richard had a lot of experience with building homes as he was a home inspector. Richard shared with me that this would be their forever home as he was retiring, and they wanted everything to be just right. During our build process, of course, there were some questions and a lot of meetings to talk through some of the things going on with the build, but all in all, it was a really good experience. And at the end of the build, Richard and Sylvia both told me they appreciated what we did for them and loved their home. And that was a great moment for me. A few years later, Sylvia came into our office in Asheville and shared a sad moment with us that Richard had passed on and that she was selling their home because it was just too much for her. She had mentioned that she wanted to build another home but was a little nervous about the process and said if she was going to build, she wanted to build with America's Home Place because Richard, her husband, trusted us. That was a moment for me that really resonated with how important what we do for our customers are and brought great joy to me that I was a part of that process and what helped Richard trust America's Home Place. We very graciously helped Sylvia build her next home and really, spent a lot of time answering her questions and spending time on site with her to make sure she felt comfortable and give her that high quality home that she desired. I'm happy to say that she loves her home. I've talked to her a few times since the home was completed, and every time it's been a wonderful experience. Again, my name is Wayne with America's Home Place, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks and have a great day.